Let me take you through Cloud Club. So this is what our Cloud Club dashboard looks like. On the left hand side, you see six main options, each designed to help you manage your event more efficiently and to provide transparency and visibility across every stage of your event journey. One of the key feature here is ICP, which stands for Ideal Customer Profile. It's a crucial component for evaluating whether an event truly matches your target audience. And when you open the ICP section, let me show you, you'll see three options. One is create new ICP, second one is upload ICP, and the third one is saved ICP. So if you don't already have an ICP, you can easily create one right here on this platform. So all you need to do first, type in your sheet name, then job title, then the employee size and the industry. Now you can choose the country. I'm gonna choose India, and now you can choose the state. The state is optional if you want to choose it or not. I'm gonna click on save ICP. All right, so my ICP is saved now. I just created an ICP for myself. So if you already have an ICP saved on your laptop or PC, you can upload it using the upload ICP option. Let me show you how. I'm gonna put the sheet name. Now I'm gonna upload it. I'm gonna click on upload ICP. It's upload now. And of course, all your previous ICPs will be available under saved ICP for quick access anytime. Let me show you. So see, so there are two ICP lists, one which I created by myself and the second one which I just uploaded. Now I'm going to do a comparison for you. Let me show you. I'm going to choose the sheet here. Okay, now I'm going to compare it. So here they are. So here's the best part. Now you can instantly see the ROI of this particular event. That's how easily you can evaluate and calculate your ROI in less than a minute using Cloud Club. And this option is especially crucial when collaborating with an agency, as it allows you to evaluate and compare their list with your ICP list. So that's what all about ICP feature that we have on our product Cloud Club. Start by creating an event from our dashboard. Click on create new event. Now I need to fill the event name. Like you can see, I already filled that up, and I also create a banner for the same. If you already have a banner, you can place it. You can paste that banner or either create it. And you can see the description. You can paste your description here. You can select the time and the date. You can add the venue, and then all you need to do, once you fill in the details, hit submit, and just like that, your event is ready to go. To add an attendee in Cloud Club, first click on the attendee tab from your dashboard, then click on add attendee. Now you can either add attendee one by one by entering their details or simply upload a file with your attendee list to add them all at one place here. Now click on upload Excel and your attendee will be added successfully. You can see it over here. All the attendees with their information is added on the event. That's how you do it. Let me show you how to add an agenda to your event in Cloud Club. First, click on View Agenda, then click on Add Agenda. Next, fill in all the details according to your agenda like the title, description, time, and speakers if needed. Once you fill in everything, click on Add Agenda to save it, and that's it. As you can see, I already saved mine, and once you click on the say add agenda, your agenda is now added to the event and ready to be viewed by attendees. And from here you can either update. Suppose if you make any mistakes while adding an agenda, you can update it while clicking on this that pen option, and you'll get an option to update anything. Like here, you can update the time or the speaker or the description. Once you update it, you can click on update agenda, and that's it, you're good to go. And if I show you from an event perspective how your attendees will gonna look at it, I'm gonna click on view event. I'll scroll down. That's how. See, all your agendas is written over here on your event, so your attendees can check it. Let's learn how to send event invitation to your attendees using Cloud Club. Start by selecting your event, then click on Send Invitation button from the event dashboard. Next, click on Add Request Attendees. You'll now have two options to add your attendee list. First, if you have just a few attendees, you can add them manually by entering their name, emails, and other details. The second one, for larger events, simply upload a bulk attendee file in the given format. This helps you save time and invite multiple participants in one go, like I'm going to do it now. I'm going to click on Upload Access. I'm going to click on Upload Excel. Now I'm going to go back. See, I can see all the attendees to whom I want to invite in my event. So that's how you do it. So once your attendee list has been uploaded, click on the query button. This will help you fetch and verify your uploaded attendee data before sending invitations. Now go to your attendee box, click all the attendees, then click on invite registration. This will open the invitation panel where you can choose your sending options. From here, you can send invitation directly via email and WhatsApp. Just select the preferred channel or choose both for maximum reach. Before sending, you can also check the example invitation template to see exactly how your email and or WhatsApp message will appear to attendees, including event details, date, time, and the registration link. Once you're satisfied with the message, click send. Your invitation will be delivered instantly, and you can try delivery or registration status right from your dashboard. That's it. Cloud Club also offers an amazing feature, Vendor. It's designed to simplify your event planning. Here you can find verified vendors for audience acquisition, gifting, and event setup. You'll see list of agency you can contact directly and even submit your quote request through the platform. From the marketeer perspective, if you don't already have an agency, you can easily find one here. And from an agency perspective, it's a great opportunity to get visibility and generate new business through the Cloud Club ecosystem. If someone can't attend the event in person, they can still watch the entire event live through our Cloud Club app. Here's how it works. So, if you want to start the live stream, all you need to do first click on the Cloud Club Organizer app. Now you'll see an option which says Stream Now. Click on that. Now click on this red button and you're good to go. The live stream will start immediately, allowing remote attendees to join in real time. For the attendees, whoever wants to watch the live stream, all they need to do is click on the Cloud Club app, go to events. Now choose the event whichever you're invited for. Now you'll see an option which says want to view live event. Now you need to click on yes. See, now sit back and enjoy the event live from wherever you are.